Shop Axe and all your childhood favorites. Nabisco.
Yeah, eat your breakfast.
And then I met her. I thought he'd be taller.
With practice, he'll get better at making sure it gets in his mouth.
Yeah, like the bit that's hanging off his face right now.
Yeah.
Oh, booger. Booger.
It didn't make it to his mouth.
No, he's trying. Ew, he's sticking. He just picked it up with his hands and put it in his mouth.
As long as it gets in his mouth.
I know, but it's funny that he actually did it up. I got some on me and he picked it up.
I think the action scenes, having been somebody that's done action movies, the action sequences are new. They've not been seen before. The story is new.
The fraternity has trained assassins for thousands of years.
Booger.
And everything you need to kill your target.
You ever thought about doing things differently?
What do you mean?
You know, somebody